Good morning everyone. Today we have discussed about round off numbers. So today we will be dealing with round off to the nearest tens. Okay, so you will be following this rules for nearest tens, nearest hundred, nearest thousand. Round off nearest tens, round off nearest hundred, and round off nearest thousand. But there are some little bit changes in that. So what you have to do in this is, first step, decide the place up to where the number has to be round off. So now today we will be learning about the round off of the nearest tens. So we have decided, check the digit to the right of the rounding place value. So as we are doing the round off of nearest tens, so we have to check the right digit. Means if we are dealing with tens, so you have to see the ones place. Okay, if the digit to the right of the rounding place value is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, so if the digit at near, as we are talking about nearest 10, so we have to see at nearest ones place. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, if there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ones place, do not change digit on the rounding place value, that is tens place value. You will not change the digit at tens place value, you will not add 1 on it, but change the digit to its right to 0. Okay, so ones place value number will be changed to 0. If the digit to the right of the rounding place value is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then add 1 to the digit on the rounding place value, that is tens. So if your number at ones we are having 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, so what you have to do, you have to put 1, you have to add 1 at tens place value to the digit on the rounding place value and change all the digits to its right for 0. So ones place value will become 0, and the tens place value, what you have to do is, you have to put 1 if the number at ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So let us do some questions in it. First question that we are having in exercise 1.4 is, round off these numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, so this is 749. When you are having 749, firstly what you have to do, this is the rounding off digit. Okay, so we have to see the right number. So right number is this, that is ones place value. As it is 9, and 9 we have to compare with 5. 9 we have to, every time you have to compare with 5, whether it is nearest tens, 100, 1000, you always have to compare with 5. As the number is more than 5, if the number is more than 5 or equals to 5, you have to put 1 in it. You have to add 1 at tens place value. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 9 will become 0, and this 7 will remain as it is. This number will remain as it is. 2362. Here 2. 2 is the number that we are having at ones place, so 2 is smaller than 5. We will not add 1 at tens place value, it will remain same. So that's why 2, 3 same, 6 we will write same, ones place value will be changed into 0, so you have to change it into 0. Now 607, 7 is greater than 5, you have to compare it first. As 7 is greater than 5, you have to add 1 at tens place value, so this will become 6, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and this number will become 0. 5, now we are having 5 at ones place value. 5 is equals to 5. As 5 is equals to 5, I have already told you, greater than number or equal number, we have to add 1 at tens place, so we will add 1 at tens place, so it will become 8. 0 plus 1 is 1, and this ones will be changed into 0. So all these questions I will be giving you homework to practice, so that your concept become clear. I've already given this related to this question, I've given you in worksheet, so I hope you people have practiced well. Okay, bye bye students.